Welcome to the fascinating world of whales.
Did you know whales are the largest animals on Earth? They can live up to 200 years, that's 2 whole centuries. Whales communicate using complex songs that can last for hours. They have a unique way of feeding called lunge feeding. Whales play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our oceans.
They help in carbon sequestration, reducing the impact of climate change.
Their poop fertilizes the ocean, promoting the growth of phytoplankton. Phytoplankton produces over 50% of the world's oxygen. So, whales are not just fascinating, they're vital for our planet.